IT Law Questions Part 4. Explain the evolution of IT Act. The Information Technology Act was enacted in the Indian Parliament in 2000. It is the primary law in India for the matters related to cybercrime and e-commerce. The act was enacted to give legal sanctions to electronic commerce and electronic transactions to enable governance and also prevent cybercrime. Under this law, any crime is involving a computer or network located in India, foreign nationals can also be charged. It also gives legal recognition to digital signatures. It gives legal recognition to digital signatures. The IT Act also has enabled certain provisions of Indian Penal Code, the Bankers Book Evidence Act in 1991, Indian Evidence Act 1872, to modify these laws to make them compliant with new digital law technologies. The IT Act 2000 was also amended in 2008. This amendment introduced the controversial Section 66A into the Act. Section 66A gives authority to the power to arrest anyone accused of posting content on social media that could be deemed offensive. This amendment was passed in the Parliament without any debate. Penalty prescribed to the above was up to 3 years imprisonment with a fine. Section 69A. It also empowers the government to block internet sites with the interest of the nation. The recent banning of the Chinese apps was done citing provisions under the Section 69A of the IT Act. Information Technology Guidelines Amendment Rules 2018. Section 70.
It's okay.
Information Technology Act intermediary guideline rules were first released in 2011 and 18. The government made changes to these rules. To curb this, the government proposed stringent changes to sections 79 of the IT Act, IT rules. According to 2018 rules, social media intermediaries should publish rules and privacy policy to curb the users from engaging on online material that is invasive to privacy. The rules make it obligatory for online intermediaries must provide them with same within 72 hours. The changes will also require online platforms to break end-to-end encryption in order to ascertain the origin of messages. Explain IT Act. What are the salient features of IT Act? IT Act is a law that provides legal recognition to electronic transactions and recognitions known as electronic commerce. It also aims to make it easier to file documents electronically for government agencies. Features of IT Act are legal recognition for digital signatures. Digital signatures are given the same status as regular signatures. Electronic contracts. Electronic contracts created through secure electronic channels are legally valid. E-governance. IT Act allows for electronic records. Computer evidence. IT Act allows computer evidence to be admissible in court. Privacy and security. IT Act provides for the working of certifying authorities as issues regarding digital signatures certificates for electronic authentication of the users. Explain quasi-judicial framework under the IT Act. The Information Technology Act 2000 established quasi-judicial bodies such as adjudicating officials to resolve disputes. The adjudicating officer has the jurisdiction to award compensations as a civil remedy as well as compose fines for violation of the Act, giving them civil and criminal courts like power. Cyber Appellate Tribunal is the first level of appellate appeal with the chairperson and any additional member appointed by the central government. A second appeal may be lodged with the High Court having jurisdiction within 60 days after the Cyber Appellate Tribunal's ruling has been communicated. Central government appoints an adjudicating officer with the authority to make decisions. The Secretary of the State's Department of Information Technology is a member of the board. The Secretary of each state department is designated as the AO for the state by default according to Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. The AO is given judicial entity since he has the ability to order investigation, that is, hold an inquiry into the breach of the IT Act 2000 based on the evidence presented to it. Adjudicate, that is, determine the amount of compensation or punishment to be awarded in the event of the violation.